and crude, and we've only traded 4 times. Let's keep going. We've got one more here, guys. One more here. Now, the final trade on crude today actually happened between those last 2 trades. Here now at 10:26, this is a 4-range chart. So a much faster time frame. This is going to be much more like a scalp trade. Short-term trend is up. We're bouncing off the high of day. You guys see it, right? Right there. There's that 1 tick higher high. Right? 1 tick higher high. You guys know what that means. We are drooling over this 2-step short now. Now, guys, notice here. We had a 2-step right here. Right? But again, we saw higher highs. So we disqualify that 2-step. We move our entry point up a little bit here, get a better fill here, and there's your 2-step short. All right, guys, so a couple things you want to remember here. The first thing is that 1 tick higher high, right? If we see that 1 tick higher high, that's going to give us a real strong heads up. Get ready for that reversal. The second thing is here is notice how we used a higher entry point because we had a new higher high. Okay, so once again, we knew a 2-step pattern was setting up first. So here was the first 2-step. Right? There's the first one. Now this first one, though, you can see we never got it triggered. And then we broke above the swing high here. So, of course, now that 2-step becomes invalid. But we come up, we test the highs. We see another opportunity for a better entry here just below that swing, right? Just below that trigger line. And there's your better entry there for your 2-step pattern short, right? Remember, for a short trade, I want to get into the market as high as possible, right? Give yourself the best benefit of the doubt here. So at 10:26 on a scalp trade here, 75.80 was the fill. Okay, about 10 ticks better than we could have got at the 70 down here. So good job of getting a better fill there. But still, we didn't get very much out of it. You can see it bounces down, then bounces right back up, and then tumbles. Okay, so it's still, again, guys, we got just enough here to get us into the trade. But then there's no follow-through, no conviction, no big money to push this thing through. All right, guys, now don't get frustrated, though, because today was only one day. All right, we're bound to have days like this. Okay, tomorrow, this will be a +4, +8, +20. And we'll be winning 200 ticks tomorrow. Okay, all we can do right now is simply trade through the market environment. Use your best judgment, take only the best trade patterns, and at the end of the day, you'll be profitable. All right, guys, so +4, +1, 2 off at 4, 2 off at 1, there's 10 ticks or 100 USD. All right, guys, and then finally here, we got our third biggest trade of the day, guys, to finish up on gold. Now, here on gold, we called this one live in the room. We even posted in our blog. All right, guys, so you didn't even need to be in the trade room this morning to see this trade pattern set up. It was posted live on the blog. We even put updates in the blog as well, so make sure you guys check that out. Now, on the right side here, let's go to the right side first. And on the right side of your screen, you'll see the trade call. Okay, this is what was posted in the blog. And so, of course, we have your 90.7. There's your entry. We have target here at 92.2. We'll take half off at 92.2 and then move my stop to entry +1. All right, now a lot of you guys grabbed this trade and held on to it all the way through all your profit targets because it ended up right up here around 95. Okay, so easy there to fill all your profit targets. I got bounced out a little bit early. Let's move over here now to the left side and you can see what happened. Now you can see we bounced off a low of day. There's my swing high right there. There's your 2-step pattern long. But you can see what happened was we got about half the move done. We got our first profit target filled right away, right there. Right? There's the first profit target at 92.2. We took half off there, then moved my stop back to entry, and you can see what happened was it came down, bounced me out of my point of entry, and then it launched. All right, guys? So this is probably the 4th time today we saw that lack of conviction, that lack of follow-through really become a problem. Now, of course, I can't complain. We still took 18 ticks or 180 USD out of it. Right, on that 2-step pattern long. We still made 200 bucks. All right, guys, and as the last of the day here, we obviously can't complain. Right? Good day here in the market, but we really can't avoid looking at this day and thinking to ourselves, it could have easily been 150, 160, 200 ticks today if we would have had a little bit of follow-through. Okay, just a little bit of follow-through, that's what would have really helped us out today. Okay, so tomorrow, be on the lookout, right, for speed, follow-through, big money, right, rising speed, falling speed. Are we going sideways? Are we trending? All of these things are going to give us those heads up we need to know what type of day is coming up in the future. And once I know what type of day it will be, then I can make some small adjustments, right, taking profit early, right, making sure I see double confirmation, right? Things like that. We'll talk more about it tomorrow, guys, in our live trade room. Let's prep for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. All right, tomorrow, Friday, July 9th, 2010. Not much news this week, obviously. Holiday week, so we didn't have much news to look at. Tomorrow, we've got 10 o'clock wholesale trade. And then tomorrow, 11:30, we'll do another webinar. Now, we've been trying to do webinars all week. We did one yesterday. We didn't get a chance to do the webinar today because we had those trades lining up at the end of the morning. But tomorrow, Friday, we'll take plenty of time. So make sure you guys are here tomorrow for 11:30. And don't forget, we're going to open up tomorrow at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. So be here tomorrow at 7:45 because from 7:45 till about 8:15, we go over our entire technical and mental prep. We set up our charts, our indicators. We look at scalp trades, day trades, position trades, swing trades. We go over everything at 7:45, so make sure you guys are here for that tomorrow. And don't forget, we do webinars every day at 11:30, so make sure you're here for 11:30 in the trade room, guys. And if you want more information about how we trade, sign up for our trial. Grab a copy of the beginner's course. The beginner's course is perfect for all of our setups, our entry rules, our morning routine. It goes over the markets we trade, guys, all the indicators we use. It's perfect for all the trial guests or anyone who's looking for more information about how we trade. And then on top of that, we'll add the intermediate course and the advanced course, right? For more information, guys, about our courses and about our lifetime membership, just contact our sales team on Skype, on the phone, on email, guys, and we'll see you guys here tomorrow at 7:45. My name is Joseph James. Another $1,000 day here in the room, guys. We continue to pile up profits in the month of June, July, and guys, if this is summertime trading, right, bring it on. We'll be trading like this the rest of the summer, no problem at all. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Finally, Friday tomorrow, 7:45. Don't miss a tick. Bye-bye for now.